Hello all. Scientists have successfully photographed a black hole, landed rovers on Mars, and researching on stars which are millions of light years away from us, but only explored 5% of oceans on Earth. In this video, you will know why we can't explore deep oceans and many other facts. 90% of the visible universe is made up of a single element, hydrogen. Helium comes second with almost 9%. All the other elements combined makes up the remaining 1%. This is because the Big Bang is responsible for creating the periodic table elements. It took around 400,000 years after the Big Bang for the energy and the fundamental particles like quarks to cool down and form atoms. The element hydrogen has only one proton and one electron and is the only element which has no neutrons. Therefore, it is considered as the simplest element in the universe and gives a valid reason for it to be the most abundant and common element in the universe. Scientists have successfully photographed a black hole, landed rovers on Mars, and sent spacecraft to the dark side of the moon, but could not explore the deep oceans on our own planet. Why didn't we explore more than 5% of ocean? More than 80% of the ocean remains unexplored. One of the biggest challenges of ocean exploration comes down to physics. The ocean at great depths is characterized by darkness and zero visibility, extremely cold temperatures, and crushing amounts of pressure. The water pressure at the bottom of the trench is about 1,000 times the standard atmospheric pressure at sea level. In deep oceans, the pressure from the water would push in on the person's body, causing any space that's filled with air will collapse. So the lungs would collapse. At the same time, the pressure from the water would push water into the mouth, filling the lungs back up again with water instead of air. On a dive to the bottom of the Mariana Trench, which is nearly 7 miles deep, there will be 1,000 times more pressure than at the surface. That's the equivalent of the weight of 50 jumbo jets pressing on your body. In some ways, it's a lot easier to send people into space than it is to send people into the bottom of the ocean. And you know what? The planet Uranus was discovered in 1781 and Antarctica haven't discovered until 1820. If you leave Earth at the age of 15 in a spaceship at the speed of light and spend 5 years in space, and when you get back to Earth, you will be 20 years old and all your friends who were 15 when you left will be 65 years old. This phenomenon is known as time dilation. There are more atoms in this piece of rock than there are stars in this universe. There are more stars in the universe than there are grains of sand on Earth. There are more grains of sand on the Earth than there are atoms in one grain of sand. Pain doesn't exist. You might be feeling some pain in your body, but in reality, pain doesn't even exist. Pain is just a survival mechanism entirely created by the brain. It's actually your brain that tells you that you are in pain. If you feel pain, that means your brain thinks the body is under threat and that something has to be done. If you ever touched something hot, the message gets delivered to your brain at a speed of 402 km per hour, and that is why pain is instantaneous. Marie Curie's belongings will be radioactive for another 1500 years. Still, after more than 100 years, much of Curie's personal effects, including her clothes, furniture, cookbooks, and laboratory notes, are still radioactive. The items are contaminated with radium-226, which has a half-life of about 1600 years. Her body is also radioactive and was therefore placed in a coffin lined with nearly an inch of lead. Honeybees can beat their wings over 230 times per second. They are capable of flying very high. Few bees have the ability to fly at elevations greater than Mount Everest. Scientists have found that all of the bees were capable of flying in conditions equivalent to 13,000 feet, and some even made it past 30,000 feet, that is higher than the peak of Mount Everest. The Centennial light is the world's longest lasting light bulb, burning since 1901 and almost never switched off. It is at California and maintained by Livermore Pleasanton Fire Department. It is the strongest evidence of how the products are purposefully made not to last long in modern technology. Crows use ants as medicine. Crows sometimes grab a bunch of ants and rub them under their wings just to absorb the formic acid released by ants as a defense. They lie in the ant hills and roll around so the ants swarm on them, or they chew the ants up and rub their guts on their feathers. The scientific name for this is anting. This relieves the crow of skin irritations caused by their feathers shedding. The Eiffel Tower gets taller by up to 6 inches during the summer when the temperature reaches as high as 40 degrees Celsius. Extreme heat causes the metal at the base to expand, increasing the height of the 300-meter tall tower. It also causes the top of the tower to tilt away from the sun by up to 7 inches.